Hello guys, this side Akash Randive from akashrandive.com, an aspiring digital marketer, a social media enthusiast. And in today's topic, I'm going to talk about setting up profitable sales funnel. I hope my screen is visible to you, even my audio is audible to you. So in today's topic, we're going to discuss about setting up profitable sales funnel. There are three major steps, but before that, we got to understand what is exactly sales funnel. Sales funnel is nothing but uh, there is an formula of like when you have leads prospect and then we need to convert them into our buying customers. The whole process of the customer buying journey is known as sales funnel. So for that we got to understand there is principle called as AIDA principle. That is A for AIDA. A is for awareness, I is for interest, D is for desire, A for is action. Suppose you have a product XYZ, but there is a customer who doesn't know that your product exists, you exist as a brand. So you got to create awareness about your product or yourself as a personal brand. Then you got to make them interest in your product, that they really need this product. Then you will have to create a desire for them to buy your product. And finally, the action, that is call to action, that is buying from you. This whole process is known as sales funnel. But how will you make it a profitable sales funnel? There are three major steps. Let's look into it. So I have covered about the what is sales funnel. Let's go to the next topic, that is leads. Leads is nothing but having a lead magnet. What is a lead magnet? Lead magnet can be anything, like you got to attract like a magnet to your audience. Suppose there is a customer who is cold, who doesn't know about your product. How will you make him aware about your product? By sending mails, by video series, YouTube series, anything, by ads. Lead magnet can be ebooks, your video series, your course, anything. That is what lead magnet is. And basically lead generation is creating your cold customers into warm customers and then your hot customers. That is your buying customers. Hot customers is nothing but your buying customers or existing customers. Hot are someone who is not yet known about your brand. Who are you about? And the warms are that customers that having a little bit idea about yourself. So creating lead magnets and lead generation is very major process. Then after lead generation, you got to add value into that, whatever it is, your ebooks, courses. Value addition is must before selling. And then nurturing the leads, as we said that this is the whole process. You got to nurture them, give more value, add more value, so that they are interested in your process. So lead, this is the first process. I hope this is clear. And the second comes is the offer. When you are added and value, a lot of value, always over deliver your value. You added value, more value, and then nurtured them. Then the time comes when you offer your product, that is tripwire. Suppose you have three products, that is tripwire. Tripwire is a basic product, second is little advanced, and the third is your core product. Let's say tripwire an offer, you got to offer your tripwire to them. So let's say you have XYZ product, and this product is for this much amount of value. Keep the value low. So tripwire, after nurturing them, giving addition, a trust is built between you guys, right? So tripwire, then getting buying association. After giving lots of value, I'm pretty sure there must be customers who are interested in your product. So get their buying association and get their trust and offer your basic offer. Then the final comes the offer, closing them, closing them with your product. Like if they bought your tripwire, then you got to add more value so that they can buy the core product. So for that you got to follow up through emails, again videos, through paid ads. Send them follow-ups about that you have bought my tripwire, then you got to buy my core product also, because your tripwire was so much of value that imagine the core product will be of so much of value. Then follow up and then closing the final. When if you have set up seven follow-ups, like it is said that the follow-up must be like seven touch points, so follow up them till seven or eight times or 10 times. And ending is the closing final. For in closing, final closing, you got to give deadlines, you got to give urgency, create curiosity so that the customer buys your core product and advanced product as well. And after that, you got to add more value. Always remember to over deliver your value after selling also. I hope this video helps you. Cheers. Bye.